So 2 wrestlers, Buñuelos from Montrose versus Turner from Discovery Canyon on the 4A state championship mat here at the Pepsi Center. Steve Turner came in as the favorite, according to Tim Yount, who runs the rankings for On the Mat. And his choice for Jeremiah Buñuelos, or his picks for Jeremiah, was to actually be on the stand, but in 6th place, finds himself right now in the finals against Turner. No takedowns yet. 1 minute and 22 seconds left in the first period. Both wrestlers trying to set each other up. Turner, a junior, Buñuelos, a sophomore. Western Slope coming over and making some noise in the 120-pound bracket. Dino Aragon is the official for the 120-pound bracket. Discovery Canyon, Turner scoring first with a score of 2-0 over Buñuelos from Montrose. Dino not going to let him stay riding up on those legs very long. You can see him already talking to the wrestler from Discovery Canyon, and does call it. After the first period, Montrose takes the bottom position, looking to score. Behind him, the mat 2-0. Certainly within striking distance. Up on his feet. Buñuelos hard to take down because of the length of his height, I should say. Being lanky and tall, trying to stay up on his knees. There he's going to score. Discovery Canyon, a great position to score some big points, and does. Dino up to 5 points, or the 5 count, which gives him 3 more points. Buñuelos in trouble. The sophomore having a stellar tournament leading up to this state finals is going to have to fight to get out of this predicament. Not so sure if he's in that bad a position to get pinned, but he's out of position to score for sure. So the score now, 5-0. Discovery Canyon Turner over Montrose Buñuelos. Got the leg in, got the half, looking to score again before the time runs out. And going to get the sophomore in trouble again, and does, this time in great position to potentially get the pin. He's at another 3 points. In bad position, the sophomore Buñuelos is going to have to fight to get out of this. Discovery Canyon looking to come back, scoring points again, and pins. Steve Turner from Discovery Canyon, who got to the finals match in overtime, brings his record to 39-6 and caps it off with a state title. Steve Turner, congratulations.